At ServiceMaster Restore, we're business owners too, and we know seeing your business threatened by a fire is a traumatic experience. In the event of an emergency, we'll work to get your doors open as soon as possible, while walking you through every step of the process. Our fire restoration process is thorough and proven. It includes identifying the source to determine the type of fire that occurred, evaluating all areas that suffered water damage as a result of fire suppression efforts to identify those that may need treatment, evaluating sensitive materials that may be damaged as a result of smoke and soot particles. We'll also work on cleaning, eliminating odors, and deodorizing surfaces to pre-loss condition, returning items to their original location and helping to restore your normal operation. We're ready to restore your home or your place of business following any disaster 24/7. Our well-trained experts are equipped to help answer any of your questions and take care of your emergency needs. Feel free to give us a call. We're here to help.
Call ServiceMaster Restoration by Simons Chicago at 855-9-SIMONS or click on our website at servicemasterbysimons.com.